Bili na po kayo dito!
Hindi pa kami masyado nakakaikot. Mukhang ano na kami, masayang-masaya na sa mga nakikita namin.
Because I've been going to bazaars every year and it's been a while because of the pandemic. So we're so happy that we have this again. I always look forward to this every year.
Iba't ibang products makikita mo, yung mga branded and unbranded products. So yung lalo na yung mga cheapest price yet, branded yung product, makikita mo siya dito sa iba't ibang site ng bazaar.
I know you guys are pretty excited to see what's inside these halls. So without further ado, let me officially welcome you to the ribbon cutting ceremonies of Noel Bazaar 2022.
Bazaar. First day was quite a rush kasi again, we haven't experienced this before. So everything was new. The setup and all that. We had to improvise a lot, but it was fun. We got to be creative. Turnout was quite good for the first day and we hope that this will continue until the last day.
Marami po kami mamimit na ibang tao, nakakaroon din po kami ng bonding sa mga customers. Then may mga artista din po doon kaya the best po talaga experience sa Noel Bazaar.
First time namin, pero first day pa lang malaki na yung sales and then napaka-supportive nung mga taga-Noel Bazaar.
2 years din tayo na sa pandemic. Sabi, parang ilang beses namin na iniisip na kailan ba ulit magkakaroon ng Noel Bazaar. Eh ngayon po, nung nagkaroon ulit, masaya kami ni Mama kasi yung Noel Bazaar po talaga isa sa most awaited bazaar dito po sa